Can't find your speakers, headphones, or microphone in Device Manager. The audio device may be hidden, disabled, or missing its driver. In this guide, I'll show you how to find and restore a missing sound device. First, open Start and search for Device Manager. Expand Sound, Video, and Game Controllers. Also check audio inputs and outputs for speakers, headphones, or microphones. If your sound device isn't listed, open View and select Show Hidden Devices. Check the audio categories again. A faded device may indicate hardware that was previously installed. Next, select Action and choose Scan for hardware changes. Windows will refresh the hardware list and search for connected audio hardware. Look under Other Devices for an unknown device or a device with a yellow warning icon. Open Properties and check Device Status. This could indicate that Windows detects the hardware but doesn't have the correct driver. Right-click the unknown or audio device and select Update Driver. Choose Search automatically for drivers first. If Windows can't find one, download the correct audio driver from your computer manufacturer's official support website. Open Settings and go to Windows Update. Select Check for Updates, then check Optional Updates for available driver updates. Install relevant updates and restart your PC. If the device appears but there's still no sound, press Windows and R, type services.msc and press Enter. Check that Windows Audio is running. If needed, restart the service. Finally, open Settings and go to System, then Sound. Check that the correct output or input device is selected. Yeah, sometimes the hardware is detected, but Windows is simply using the wrong audio device. And that's how to fix a missing sound device in Device Manager. Start with hidden devices and a hardware scan, then check drivers, Windows Update, and sound settings. So test your speakers or microphone after each step.